the National Steering Committee for the campaign, together with the Ministry of National Defense and Ho Chi Minh City authorities, held a workshop at the former Quán Cemetery, now Lê Thị Riêng Park, chaired by Deputy Prime Minister Phạm Thanh. The meeting concluded that sufficient historical, scientific and legal evidence indicates a high likelihood of a collective martyrs burial site, paving the way for further survey and excavation. More in the following story.
The workshop followed field surveys, comparisons of wartime photographs, historical maps, and testimonies from witnesses who directly observed events during the 1968 Tet Offensive.
I went down and saw 2 long trenches being dug, about 50 meters long and 4 meters wide. Garbage trucks came and dumped waste into them. Then cemetery workers, firemen, and soldiers from the former regions carried the bodies down and buried them. It was a mass grave of about 300 martyrs. I witnessed it at the time, and it smelled so bad that I had to leave.
At the conference, Colonel Bùi Yên Tĩnh said the research team cross-checked multiple sources, including on-site images, aerial and satellite photos, historical maps, military reports, clearance records of Quán Cemetery, and witness accounts, along with AP and international imagery.
The research team has been highly persistent and meticulous in collecting materials, especially aerial photographs and maps for analysis. We agree on using modern technology, such as ground-penetrating radar, to scan underground burial trenches and conduct test drilling.
Based on the results, we will make final conclusions and report to the National Steering Committee, the military region, and local authorities as a basis for recovering the remains of martyrs who sacrificed their lives during the first phase of the 1968 Tet Offensive.
We are in the peak phase of the 500-day campaign to search for, recover, and identify martyr remains and are still lacking information. The campaign urges us on every day. Each verified piece of information, each cross-checked document, and each recall memory carries special meaning in our efforts to bring the heroes back to their homeland.
According to experts, these findings provide an important foundation for further in-depth investigation to determine whether mass graves of soldiers who died during the 1968 Tet Offensive remain at the site. The effort could help locate, recover, and identify the remains of fallen soldiers nearly 6 decades after their sacrifice. Hoàng Linh reporting for Vietnam Today from Ho Chi Minh City.